Welcome back to Star Biker, your go-to destination for honest and sharp reviews on the latest rides. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza, one of India's favorite compact SUVs that just got a fresh update. Let's break down what's new, what's better, and whether it still holds its place in the market. Design and styling. The 2025 Brezza retains its muscular SUV stance but now comes with sharper LED DRLs, a more aggressive front grille, and redesigned alloy wheels. The rear gets subtle tweaks with sleeker tail lamps and a more sculpted bumper. Overall, it's more modern while keeping the Brezza DNA intact. Interior and features. Step inside and the cabin feels more premium. Maruti has upgraded the dashboard layout with a larger 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and soft-touch materials on key surfaces. The 2025 model also brings ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof finally. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1.5 LK15C petrol engine continues, now refined for better mileage and lower emissions. It delivers around 103 PS and 137 Nm torque paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. Maruti also offers a mild hybrid setup, enhancing fuel efficiency, especially in city traffic. Safety and tech. The 2025 Brezza ups its safety game with 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. It now competes more confidently with rivals like the Nexon and Venue in the safety department. Price and verdict. With prices starting around 8.8 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom, the new Brezza brings more value than ever. It's not a radical change, but the upgrades are meaningful, especially for tech-savvy buyers. If you want a compact SUV that's reliable, fuel-efficient, and now loaded with features, the 2025 Brezza deserves a test drive. Outro, subscribe for more. That's all for today's review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Star Biker for more real-world reviews and auto updates. Until next time, ride smart, ride safe.